All right, today we're diving into a summer internship that could seriously be a game changer for anyone in data science and AI, and it's coming from one of India's absolute top institutions.
So let me ask you something straight up. Do you want to spend your summer working on actual, cutting edge AI projects? If you're nodding your head right now, then you are definitely in the right place. Okay, so first things first, let's get right into the details. What is this opportunity, really? Let's break it all down. So, what we're talking about here is the IIT Guwahati Summer Internship. And this isn't just any program. It's run by the prestigious Mehta Family School of Data Science and Artificial Intelligence. The whole point is to connect students like you with advanced AI projects, all while getting direct mentorship from the faculty. Believe me, this is not about getting coffee or making copies. We're talking about a real, genuine, deep dive into the field. Okay, that all sounds pretty impressive, right? But the big question is, what's really in it for you? I mean, beyond just having a big name on your resume, how does something like this actually boost your career? Let's get into the real benefits. The value here is, well, it's crystal clear. You're not just some intern, You're basically becoming a researcher. That means you get hands-on experience, you're interacting directly with faculty who are experts in their field, and, of course, you walk away with an official certificate from IIT Guwahati to prove it. That's huge. So by now, you're probably thinking, wow, this sounds perfect. But let's pump the brakes for just a second and make sure. The next big question we got to answer is, who's actually eligible for this? And this is one of the best parts about this whole program. It's super accessible. The eligibility is really broad, so it covers a ton of different students. It doesn't matter if you're an undergrad doing your B.Tech or BSc, or even a grad student working on your MTech or PhD. Guess what? This internship is open to you. All right, so if you're still with me, that means you've probably ticked that eligibility box. Awesome. The next thing you need to do is grab your calendar, because timing is everything. Let's go over the key dates you absolutely need to know. Okay, listen up, because this is the big one. The application deadline is April 15th, 2026, and you have to get your application in before 11:55 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Don't miss that. Then the internship itself kicks off about a month later on May 15th and goes all the way through July 10th. It fits right into that summer break, which is just perfect. Okay, so let's recap. We know what the program is, we know why it's such a great move for your career, and we know when it's all going down. There's just one last piece of the puzzle left. How do you actually apply? And honestly, this might just be the best part. When it comes to applying, how much do you think it costs? The answer is absolutely nothing. Zero. Zilch. There is no application fee. I mean, that just removes a massive barrier, right? It makes this incredible opportunity open to every single qualified student, no matter what their financial situation is. That's just fantastic. All right, let's do a quick final run-through of the most important info. We've got the Data Science and AI internship at IIT Guwahati. Your deadline to remember is April 15th, 2026. It's an 8-week program right in the middle of summer. And the best part, it costs you nothing to apply. So that really just leaves us with one last question, doesn't it? When you've got an opportunity like this, with so much hands-on experience, mentorship from experts, and the prestige of a top institution, and it costs nothing to even try, you really have to ask yourself, is this the summer you finally launch your career in AI?